I want to show you that exists a time machine. And you know what I'm talking about? Is this one you are about to see. We want to show you since how long ago Noah been in the bush and doing adventure with all of us, you know, guys, in the different countries, right? So, no further ado, let's travel in the time machine now. I hope you folks like and enjoy. Wow, yeah, the whole footage. Whoa, what is that, Noah? Are you sure? Yes, this is good, guys. Look at what Noah found. Get it, Noah. I hope you enjoy the whole footage. And until the next time, don't forget to comment, you know, subscribe, and give me that thumb up. Until the next time, folks. Oh my God, we're really into the tips hunting. Ciao.
Ciao.